Hey YouTube, Justin from H3D Prints here. This video is going to be putting together the core of the machine and getting the XYs mounted to the Z and actually starting to weld stuff together. So let's get going. If you're enjoying these videos, give it a like, subscribe, and put a comment down there so we can keep going and growing the channel. Here's a little look to my 9-to-5 job. It's a cool little motor I finished up this week. Well, I won't say little, it's a 598, but might try to start doing some of these during the week if I get the permission to. Maybe add something else to the channel. So subscribe. Let's get this thing going. Okay, here it is mocked up over in the fab area. Right now what we're going to do is take magnets, and basically we're standing at the front of it, and we need to make mounts so X and Y can mount. These are obviously a little long. They will get cut down later. So we're just going to take it. Whoa, don't move it. And this is just a temporary setup so I can actually stick XY on top of it and figure out where everything needs to land. So we can drill the mounting holes into the brackets and then cut them down. This side here is actually going to be wider because the filament's going to be mounted somewhere out over here on this side. This side will probably just be to somewhere here. Give me magnets. Stick. Okay, it did what I thought it would, but it will work this way. What I'm going to do is these rear ones are going to mount this way, and then I'll just either take a piece of angle iron here to cover this hole because the heated chamber and the bottom will be open to the storage that's under the printer, which is what's in my head right now. Who knows, things can change. But there'll be something here to weld this to, then it'll be welded around. Couldn't do both sides because it was cantilevered so far off the back that it was just trying to make them fall off, and they don't really have a good purchase on the magnets. So I'm going to do a little bit of figure out where we're going to drill holes, get things squared up a little bit better on here as far as being square in the same place and plane, and figure out where we're going to cut the X bars down, get those cut down, get those drilled, get the mounts to the Z axis drilled, and then come back and actually start welding stuff together. So let me go noodle on a piece of paper for a little bit and we'll get back after it. Okay, here we're going to start cutting these down at 9 inches. We're going to mark them a little bit big because there is some cut off slag on this end. You can cut it that way, but there'll work. Tight. Okay, the first thing we need to do right now is let's figure out the Y rail lengths. Get them all the way up the front. Use it right across here. Got about 31.5 and hair over 31.5. That one looks like it is. Oh yeah, okay. I see what's going on here. Needs to slide back. The reason I'm checking them straight over the Z is going to be the closest to the actual length I want. Okay. It doesn't look quite right, but it'll live for now. Oh, hey, I just moved it again. Stay. Okay. 31 5/8. 31 5/8. Okay. As you can see, we got it here. It's level. And then we're just gonna put a tack on the inner side here, right in here. Just a small tack for now, and we'll go and do the other side. And then we'll go back and check the back width, and then do the same. Very down. Kind of hidden behind that. Let's see if I can put it over here. That's a little better. Level. Back. Now we're going to go back here. Bring this back here and get this width back here set up. And 35 1/4. So I'm good there. Sit all down. Checked. Think. No, that one's all good. Yeah, we're good. Wow. Once I get all this stuff tacked in a little heavier, I'll have to go through and loosen all the hardware, then retighten it so it can kind of sit in its final home, and everything should free up. But yeah, we're forward progress. It's at least somewhat stuck together now. Oh, the bed moves in there too. So that's almost it. I'm gonna go through and throw a couple heavier tacks on it, and then that'll probably end it for today. The next thing we'll do is probably go and start mounting the mounts for the Z stepper motors, and some sort of top mount for the Z axis up here when it's all the way up, but that'll be for another day. So we're getting there, forward progress. At least it's starting to get somewhere. So I will see, is there anything else left? I guess not. So I'll cut it off here, and then I'll do a recap here in a minute. Okay, we're gonna end it here. It's tacked together. Next time we're gonna start adding to that and making this thing grow into enclosure. Also, first part of next week, gonna announce a contest. The first video I'm mentioning it in, a giveaway. So stay tuned. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Ring the bell so you get notified, so you can be one of the first ones to get in on this. Hope you guys have an awesome week, and we'll see you on the next one.